Zenkai has been using the Puff-Off app faithfully for weeks. The streak tracker, motivational reminders, and peer group chat have kept him vape-free. But as exam season ramps up, stress from late-night studying and assignments begins to take its toll. One night, after a particularly tough paper, the cravings hit harder than ever. Zenkai picks up his phone, ready to call his old vaping friend. Just before he dials, a notification from Puff-Off pops up. Exams are tough, but you're tougher. Tap SOS if you need us. The message stops him long enough to take a breath. Remembering what the app offers, Zenkai reaches out for support through Puff-Off's SOS feature. He's presented with two choices: chat with a therapist or guided breathing exercise. Not ready to talk to anyone, he chooses the breathing exercise. An AI voice greets him, asking 4 short questions to personalize the session. A soothing animation then guides him through the breathing routine, and slowly his heart rate calms. After completing the exercise, immediately after, he completes a short recovery reflection, jotting down how the craving started and what helped him overcome it. The act of reflection helps him see that what felt like weakness was actually proof of his progress. After completing the reflection, a new message appears in his Puff-Off group peer chat. In the group chat, the members are congratulating each other over their 33-day streak. Zenkai is then reminded of the journey he is on with his friends and feels guilty over his temptation. Feeling extra motivated to quit vaping alongside his friends, Zenkai decides to check on the group Hippo Pet. He notices that Hilda's happiness is not full, which reminds him to complete his daily tasks. Zenkai completes his check-in and then plays with Hilda. Zenkai feels a surge of pride, not just because he resisted vaping, but because he visibly helped his group and their pet. Before heading to bed, Zenkai spends a few minutes reading the Community Story Hub, where he finds a post from another student who fought exam season cravings and overcame them. The story hits close to home, reminding him that he isn't alone in this struggle. Finally, he looks back through his profile filled with milestones, photos, and motivational notes from the past few months. His eyes linger on his nearly completed Gojo Jigsaw Streak Tracker, where each piece represents a day he stayed strong. As he closes his eyes, Zenkai feels a quiet but powerful sense of pride. He realizes that every craving resisted, every reflection written, and every check-in done is a step further from his old habits. He's come too far to give up now.